दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्तो राधाकान्त नमस्ते तप्तकाञ्चन गौरङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि भक्त्याभिहीन अपराधवृत्ति क्षिप्ताश्च कामामि करं भवन् कृपामयी त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणाय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु का शिक्षा उपदेश दिया। Teachings of Lord Chaitanya, Aradha Bhagavan Brajesh, Brajananandan Sri Krishna is the extreme Aradha, extreme, because Krishna, only Krishna is the embodiment of high rasa, Santa, Vesta, Sukha, Vatulya, Mukha. No other God. They are exhibit in high rasa. Only in Krishna. So, Krishna is able to attract all the devotees, not only the mankind, but also the creepers, trees, every soul attracted by Krishna. This is the specialty of Lord Krishna. And he advised Jiva, you are attend for service to the Supreme Lord, not others. Our aim is we want peace of mind, no other things. But externally we see we want money, everything, residence, clothes, food, etc. But if you consider it, then we see you attain for Sabda, Sparsha, Root, Loss and Gandha. So, in 5 things, you are get from Krishna. As for example, one man in south named Anudas, he won the roof. So he was attracted by a woman named Hemamba, and he always with that woman. He never proceed anywhere without Hemamba. And while he going in the state, always is seen Hemamba, and he proceed in that. with an umbrella in his hand to save Hevamba from the sun, and the hand fan for remove lice, mosquito, everything. And fortunately, he reached to Sri Rangakshetra. Fortunately, he is seen by Ramanuja Acharya. Ramanuja is thinking, what shall I do to rescue this person from this world and to move on the other world? Then he invites both of them. You are come to mount and taken prasadam there. They are rich in the mount, and he accompanied with Dhanurdas in the temple of Ranganath to bow down here and pranam Ranganath, Ranganath. You uttered the pranam mantra, but he doesn't know. Then he uttered, follow me. Om Santakaram Bhujavasayanam Padmanabham Sunesham Vissadharam Gagana Sadrisam Meghavarnam Subhangam. Then he uttered the mantra, and after finished mantra, he opened. Then he seen the beauty of Lord Ranganath, and then who was so high and angelic rupa from a woman that is changeable and with so many nooks with her. I never seen this. See, then Brahman told the temple door was closed. You come tomorrow. You have no darshan tonight. No. You come tomorrow. And he every day, the darshan of Ranganath, every day. And he left his village and stayed there. And last he said, if you attract me in the lotus foot of Ranganath, please give me some service. What service I can render to him? Then to prepare garlands, and I offer to the Ranganath every day. But both of you prepare this garland. They are preparing the garland every day, and Ramanuja offers to the Ranganath. The others, Brahmachari and Sannyasi, they are thinking. They are not a good person. Their character is not good. Why Ranganath taken the garlands from them? Is it correct? We are able to offer garlands because we are pure. What pure? I have no other connection without Rangana. Then we are enough. Then Ramanus sent one man and engaged Dhanurdas with the toppings of Bhagavatam. The Brahmachari went to the house of Dhanurdas, the jail house, and his wife sleeping in the jail. He entered the house and one after another had taken the ornaments, golden ornaments from our body. I had taken all the ornaments of one side, then the lady turned about. Because the other side, they can take easily, they can take. But the Brahmachari thing is taken. Immediately he left the house and returned. And he thinking, they may report to the police, and police come to me and may arrest me. On the other side, Dhanurdas asked him, why? Collect the ornament of your body. Then he told all the events, all the story. What you are talking about? You are yet want ornaments? No. I am not one for the ornaments. I am not talking about to sell ornaments. But in this motive, I thought they can easily take this size ornaments also. Not then he is satisfied with this. Next day, early in the morning, he collects all the ornaments which is not able taken by the Brahmachari with a handkerchief and reached to the temple and of our Ramanus. It is extra in my house. If it is used in the service of Lord by changing or selling, I offer this. It is not necessary for me because it is extra. Then Raman sent 2 persons. You are listening the topics of the couple and inform me. In the other hand, Raman, he told the clothes, told the open door, etc. In the morning, the Brahmachari and Sannyas, they quarrel each other. Where is my cloth? Where is my coat? Where is my shirt, t-shirt, everything? They are quarreling each other. Ramanus rushed there Why you are quarreling with others? Guruji, they told me, who they cut my new cloth because he asked me, I get it. So it is his action, I think. Then Raman, I do these things. This is the part of your cloth and cocaine and everything in my bag. You are understand why Ranganath taken the garlands from the couple? But you are not able to pass because you are attached in this worldly affairs and not in the service of the God. So, if we are always try to our level best to serve the God and His devotees. Without the service of the devotee, you cannot serve God. Because God is transcendental. But God Himself arrived here in three rupa. Guru, Vaishnava and Shastra. So the Bhagavad is Bhagavan, Guru is Bhagavan and the Vaishnava is Bhagavan. Because it is God is Himself revealed in three. So we Prarthana Vandana the Bhagavad Tamadi Devam Purusha Puranam Tamala Varnam Suhidavata Apara Samsara Samudra Setum Bhajamahe Bhagavata Sarupam. Bhagavad is the symbolical representation of God Himself. So we perform puja of Srimad Bhagavad and we serve Guru and utter Sakshat Dharitena Samasta Sastri Ruktas Kata Bhatayeva Sati Kintu Prabhurya Priyayeva Tasya Bande Gurusri Charanari. Why? Guru is God. Guru is Bhagavan. Guru is Bhagavan. In this sense, he is very dear to the God. Priyatamottam eva mannati. Priyatamottam is God. And Vaishnava, you heard the name of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and he was requested by Haridas Goswami, the then head of the Pujari of Govinda temple. He requested Krishnadas Kaviraj sent his Govinda Nilamrita Grantha, that the Govinda Nilamrita is very popular to the Vaishnava. So he requested Kaviraj Goswami, you written the Lila of Lord Chaitanya, because we are reading every day Chaitanya Bhagavat and know only up to Sannyas Gita. After Sannyas Lila, it is not in the Chaitanya Bhagavat. You write about Leela of Lord Chaitanya or sannyas. Kaviraj Goswami thinking, it is impossible for me and I cannot avoid the order of Vaishnava Guru. Ajna Gurunam Jhavicaraniya. I cannot thinking about it. I cannot consider about it. I have to obey. But it is impossible for me because I have not seen properly, not listened. My ear is hard hearing and I am not able to writing because my hand is stuttering. What shall I do? There is the temple of Madan Mohan, because Madan Mohan is the Sambandhavide, our first connection with Madan Mohan, and Govinda is the Abhideva, and Gopinath is the creator. So he was in the temple of Madan Mohan and pranam to and play. What shall I do? I cannot neglect the order of Guru and I am not able to fulfill their desire. In this matter, what is your opinion? Taken to anything, then the guidance of Madan Mohan. Immediately the Pujari Gosailas offered it to the Krishnadas Kaviraj. Immediately he sat down and started his writing. So he called এই গ্রন্থ লেখায় মরে মদন মোহন আমার লেখনী যেন সুখের পঠন. I am like a soup. What Madan Mohan told me, I write. It is called Shastra. Otherwise not Shastra. Even to go to the Vedavyas written so many books, 18 Purana and also Mahabharata, Harivansha, everything written by Krishna, Vaitaya, Vedavyas. And the Uttar Mimamsa, that is called Vedanta, that is also written by Mahasi Krishna Vaitaya Vedavyas. Yet he is not satisfied. He is not get peace of mind. And he is fighting in Samyapras, Vyasagupha, and remember his Gurudev. In this position, in this stage, what shall I do? By the grace of Krishna, his Guru Narad, appeared there. And Narad himself questioned to Vedavyas, you are quite oil with your body and mind? No. You know everything. Yet you are prepared and question me. I am sorry. I am not satisfied. I have no peace of mind. Why you will get peace of mind? You try to give the process of peace of mind to the people. I written so many books, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, everything I distribute to the public, but yet it is offense committed by you, because the cause of stay in this mundane world of jiva without his own place, Golo, why they are come? By their desire. Are you given the process of fulfilling the desire? Satisfaction of eye, satisfaction of nose and everything. Why you are get peace of mind? Then those who are able, they can write that kind of books. I am also follow. No. As your personality is exhibited, so you have to do it. How is it possible? I do not know in this matter. Is it possible for me? Yes. It is possible for you. Then it is. Chatusloki Bhagavad. Bhakti yogena manasi samyak pranihite mai apasya purusham purnam mayam cha tapasya. Hey, ध्यान and bhakti yogena manasi, by the bhakti yoga in his mind, samyak pranahite amale, he left all these desires, amal, mal, he left mal, and now he is amal, purified. What kind of mal? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. That is obstruction for the prema bhakti, for the bhakti. Bhagavad Goswami in his Chaitanya Charitamrita, Ajnam tamir naam kohi kohiva dharma, artha, kama, vancha आदि यही सब तार मध्य मुख्य बंचा कोई तो प्रधान जहाँ हुई थी कृष्ण भक्ति है अमृत. So the moksha bancha is the highest obstruction for the Krishna bhakti. So when the Vedanta purified by the bhakti yogena manasi, samyak pranihite, the cross these desires and everything, then see what you see. Apasya purusham purnam, the Purna Purush, Bhagavan, Krishna, and the Maya. Apasya Purusham Purnam, Mayanja Tad Upasritam. And the Maya was neglected and stayed there. Then it stopped. It is Bhagavad. Yes, previously I written so many books. If I told that those are not good, those are not right, I cannot say like that. Because if I cancel my previous book and establish this book, then they are saying you can change it afterward. Now you cancel it and establish it. After some time, you also cancel it. So, God gives knowledge and it's God. Up till now, I told you, I write you about dharma, but now I deliver the paradharma, not dharma, paradharma. Savai pungshan paradharma, not dharma, paradharma. What is paradharma? Jato bhakti adhoksaya. The bhakti of adhoksaya. What is adhoksaya? Adhoksaya? Adhokritam indriya jnanam. The knowledge you are acquired by your indriya jnana, I mean the eye, nose, ear, throat, and everything that is called indriya jnana. Our indriya is not able to know about the adhoksaya. This indriya, this senses is not able to touch the adhoksaya. Then what is the way? The way is the service of the God. Or Rupa Goswami in his books written Bhakti Rasamrita. अथ श्री कृष्ण नामादि न भवेत् ग्रह्यमिन्द्रियैः. The name of Krishna, the root of Krishna, the quality of Krishna, it is beyond our sense. Not bhavet grahyamindrayaiः. That is untouchable to our indriya, senses. But what capital we have to reach that? Sevanmukhi jo bhavo sayam eva. When your indriya is serviceable, mode to serve God and His devotee, then God revealed Himself in front of you. That is, it is not depend on your sensible knowledge. It is depend on the service. So, as for example, you say, one sevaka, Shailopurna, is Sar is Binde. The sevak, name of the sevak is Govind. He Sar and Rama will say that Govinda prepared his bread and he himself. The Raman was studies. How is it possible for a disabled? He can work in the bed of Gurudeva. Then finally, Sailapurna, Ramanuja and Govinda in a one's place. He asked Govinda to give the knowledge to Ramanuja to understand the mind of Govinda. You do like this? Yes. You do not know the result of this opera. I know everything from your advice. Previously, yes, I tried to test, to examine that the bed is suitable for you. There is no obstruction which can defect you, which can object anything for your sleeping. Then the mind of Ramanuja was changed. Why Ramanuja does not understand? Because this depends on the service. Everything is service. So many events here. In this matter, I discussed in the night. In wants to explain the teachings of Lord Chaitanya and explain the order to Bhagavan, Brajesh Tanaya, the Bhakkam Vrindavan. Ramya Kaji Dupasana, Brajavadhu Varkit Japu. Srimad Bhagavatam, Pramanam Amalam, Premo Pumatthama. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Makamidam, Tapradara Nahpara. That is the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. And I try to explain in slow in mind. Then I clear in this way. These are Sevak of Sailapurna and the Sevak of Govinda. They are not identical. Govinda Seva is unique. Yet, the Govinda is not according to the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesh Tanaya. Taki Dupasana Brajavadhu. What is Brajavadhu Bhakti? But discuss in the night because much time. Panchātam Udāsam Bhakti Patītānam Pādam